water stains, and I can vouch for that. There's rinses, has a rinse aid, has a nice clean citrus scent, and one tablet is all you need for a load. So this is the bag here, automatic dishwasher detergent, and as you can see it's water soluble, all in one formula, no measuring needed, formulated with plant-derived ingredients, formulated without phosphate, and 6 other toxic ingredients. So it's quite a product, and this is how small it is. That's it. Very tiny tablet. And all you do is put it in your dishwasher. Put it in the box, and you're ready to wash. Love this product. So if you haven't tried it, please check it out. Automatic dishwasher detergent, Cucina. It lasts a long time, 55 tablets. Seems like I get more than 3 months from this one bag.